Hello everyone. With all that is happening here in the UK and worldwide, we at Silent Unity and Daily Word UK headquarters are doing even more to affirm and know our spiritual comfort, strength, guidance and healing within and beyond our community. We have been holding all of this in prayer since the situation began, and our prayers continue. They are undaunted, faith-filled, as we support every person individually and everyone's prayer life as a whole. Indeed, it is more important than ever to come together in prayer, sharing and developing our spiritual practice that builds our human connections with each other, that deepens our connection with God. God in the midst of us, whatever is happening. So together we stand strong in faith, in and through this and every experience, knowing God is our strength, wholeness, help and support. We turn first to God, knowing God is still good, and then turn to each other as God directs us. So please know that all our staff and volunteers are working hard to support you, either individually in the office or working from home, responding to every person who contacts us. If there is any person or situation you wish held in prayer that is affirmative and confidential, please reach out, including anyone that has been affected by the coronavirus. You can call the prayer line, night or day, speaking with us in person or leaving a message by dialing 01628 628 916. Or you can email us at silent.unity@unityuk.org. And of course, you can write to us at our office at Taplow. We're also delighted to let you know that the May-June Daily Word has arrived here. So we are doing everything we can to post this out to you next week, so that every one of you who takes Daily Word can receive your daily inspiration and upliftment that supports so many of us. And if you don't take Daily Word and would like to join us with our daily readings, we will be delighted to send you your first copy free. You can either email us at info@unityuk.org or call the office on 01628 628 915, and all these details you will find on our website. We realise how important it is for people to stay in touch with each other, to deepen that human connection, particularly at this time. So we are seeking even more ways to serve you using Zoom, these online meetings that we have been using now for many years. Our ongoing prayer meetings continue, and we are seeking more ways in which to serve you and connect with you. So keep checking on the website for more details. For our deep desire is to serve you in every way that we can, through prayer, through Daily Word, and through our online meetings. We absolutely want to manifest and celebrate the vital connection that we have with each other and with God. For this is what gives us our name, Unity. So all of that said, please do not hesitate to reach out. We are here to serve you, to connect with you, to remember God is here always, in every situation, in every experience, enabling us, guiding us, healing us, and blessing us. So stay well, stay safe, stay in touch. We are here with you. God bless you.